Hey, red boy. Hey, buddy. Daddy loves puppies. Daddy is our 6-year-old pit bull. And he is the best puppy teacher. Come over here, guys, where there's shade. Come here, puppies. Lily, come here. And this is Jake, our he's 8 years old. 8-year-old German Shepherd. He's very good with puppies too. And Lily's on the other side of the yard chasing grasshoppers. She's a dork. Red and orange are hanging out with Daddy. Come on, blue boy. Come on, yellow. Lily, come here. Lily, come on. Lily. Come on, Lily. Hey. Lily. Come here. Good girl, Lily. Hey, green boy. Oh, the puppies love Daddy. And Orange is back there, if you can see him, playing in the weeds, being a dork. Daddy is very good at correcting puppies properly. I see him growl and snap at the puppies from time to time, but he's just saying, just teaching them that they can't do whatever he's correcting them for. Daddy's got really, really good bite control. And really good at correcting properly. Puppies! What are you guys doing back there? Noah's playing with Daddy's tail. Yellow. Good girl. Hey, brown boy. Blue boy. You're blue. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Daddy's trying to get Green to play with him. Lily, come here. Come on, Lily. Good girl. Hi, Lily.